In front of me is OPPO A12, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select device and privacy, and click on setup SIM card lock. Here you can smoothly change it by tapping on change SIM PIN, and now just enter the old one. Tap on OK. And then it's time to provide a new SIM that you like to use. So let me pick 1234, click on OK, and then re-enter new PIN. Tap on OK to save it. And that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN has been changed, so that would be all. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.